Good afternoon, Colin here with TechOut, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Caseology. This is the Athlex for the Pixel 7 Pro. I'm pretty sure I reviewed one of these for the OnePlus 10T when I had it for that short time. Very similar case here. This is kind of like the grayish white one with the black back. Little cutout here. I don't know exactly what this is for, if it's just a styling thing or if it has a purpose. If anybody knows, let me know down in the comments below what this may be for, other than like a hand grip or finger grip. It's the only thing I can really think of. Nice camera cutout. Got your power and volume buttons right there. I do like the fact that there is a little notch in between the excuse me, the volume rocker. Everything else is pretty much just the case. We do have a microphone cutout on the top, cutouts on the bottom right here for your ports and your speaker grills. A little bit of a raise, especially on the top and bottom here, and then slightly on the sides to protect the screen when you place it face down. So very good there. Won't damage your screen placing it face down as long as there's nothing protruding up onto the phone. There's no screen protector or anything on this case, so nothing to check out there. But everything else is very nice. It kind of reminds me if you ever had a OnePlus Sandstone case, that textured feel that it has. It's a not a like a rubberized material, but it is a textured material, and it feels very good holding it in the hand. It's very grippy. Doesn't feel like it's going to slip out at all. So if you're the kind of person that's worried about dropping your phone, this case is definitely one I would recommend checking out because it is definitely very easy to hold on to. I want to say this runs you about $20 on Amazon. I think it was like $18 to $20. Again, from Caseology. It is the Athlex right down there, and they do have a couple different colors here with the accents that you can choose from. I'll link these down in the description below. And I'm Colin with TechOut. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.